Welcome back, guys. So today it's time for a new video. So for the brag, I have just one Arduino and a ruler. So we are making a digital ruler. Let's search about digital rulers. So it's time to go. Let's go. So for this brag, we need an LCD display, a potentiometer 10K, ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino, and a piece of PCB. But first, don't solder it in a piece of PCB. Let's take our breadboard and start putting all the components. For the schematic, I will put in a link in the description box below. So now, let's go.
Staring in wonder at the shadows you made. Sure you got your money.
Oh yeah, it works perfectly. So now it's time to take our box, sand it, paint it, and we're ready to go. First, we need to drill some holes. Let's take the blue tape and start designing. Take a ball pen, a ruler, and start.
I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business, you be all in your feelings, I've been all in them trenches, I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business.
Perfect. So now, take the step drill and drill the holes.
I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business, you be all in your feelings, I've been all in them trenches.
So the case is ready, painted, and it's ready for the components. So now let's take a piece of PCB, turn on the soldering iron, put some water, and start soldering the LCD.
Heavy, I let it down. See me shining, they hating on me, they mean mugging, I let them down. She call me Poppy, I'm popping now. Hoes happy, I'm hopping now. Money talks, I'm the only thing these broke boys should be talking about. They talking greasy, we eating healthy, we getting wealthy, you see the difference. Blew her back, then I blew her off. She salty, now she can't be the missus. My partner's country like cornbread. In the city plotting on long bread. These niggas out here going broke, tryna do the shit that they song said. I'm a once in a lifetime flex, never leave lifeline sex. Hit her with the nighttime text. Got no time to fight while stress, I be dripping, baby. Fucks that I used to get missing lately. They acting iffy, he different, ain't he? Hop in the coupe and we dipping, baby. Yeah, the inside be looking like chicken gravy. In my vision hazy, know they hungry and hideous. Ride for my brother like Phineas, finna go fill up a stash. I'm on a mission, my palm just be itching, man. I can't even hold you, it feel like a rash. I came with the funk like a hamper of peppers, and all of these rappers been stealing the sauce. I just been winning, man, I'm tryna get it.
After you're done soldering the LCD, choose your color LED and take it, solder it, use shrinking tool to protect.
I've been all in them trenches, I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness. I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings, I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me.
The LED is ready, so now we need 2 pins adder and solder it in a piece of PCB to connect the LED. After you do that, we need a 1K resistor, because Arduino outputs 5 volt. If we add a 1K resistor, it's very good for our LED.
Might as well, bruh, fuck it then. I might whip around the city like a Uber.
Cut a small PCB for ultrasonic sensor and solder it.
She gon' give me brain, think I got a tutor. I've been too clean for the dirty looks. Pile of paper thick as 30 books. Shawty fine as hell at 27. I can't wait to see how dirty looks. I've been out of pocket like loose change. Ride around like Bruce Wayne. Still hot as that blue flame. I might buy the block with my boot thing. Yeah, them squares in your circle, you out of shape.
So all the components are ready. Take your back of the box and screw it on Arduino.
I'm a rock star, baby. Feel like I'm Chuck Berry in my Sway Sperry. I'm a pop star, baby.
Perfect. So now use a small breadboard and stick it in, because we need that for connecting all the cables from Arduino to LCD.
I barely got hold of myself. Shit, I've been all in my bag.
So after you do that, we need a switch. I'm using this switch to turn on and off the device. And after you do that, we need a 9-volt battery to power on the Arduino and a DC jack.
I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business, you be all in your feelings, I've been all in them trenches, I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. No, they notice me flexing, fitting
Oh
all in my
yeah,
fitness.
now it's time to put all the parts back. Let's go!
Heard you, don't say nothing when I hit a curve. You sip my tea like it's herbal. Watch it come back full circle. Knew this life was eternal when I hopped over hurdles. I so universal, you see me with my Had to listen, man, listen. This thing right here wasn't given. I'm whipping this to precision. Before you talk, homie, listen. They love me for my ambition. Paper chase, palm itching. I brag different, the flow ignorant. Got them hooked, they kept fishing. You popped off but play victim. Look how the plot be twisting. You lost flavor when you kept on mixing. That boy stayed icy with something that left you colorblind. Mind your own, don't come for mine. That other stuff be borderline. I'm on a different time, yo. You better get your watch fixed before the clock tick. I'm the one that they acknowledge. I move on quicker than flight mileage. Y'all stay pressed, I'm quite polished. You peep me with my flight garments. They say the real can't tarnish. Daily eats with the garnish and some bomb ass weed that got my eyes starfish. Keep a list of goals to accomplish. Leave my past in a rear view. This split so loud I can't even hear you. So heard you, don't say nothing when I hit a curve. You sip my tea like it's herbal. Watch it come back full circle. Knew this life was eternal when I hopped over hurdles. I so universal, you see me with my circle.
Yeah, you see me with my circle. Play the car, we puffin' purple. First time I got tipsy off the white like I was Virgil. Yeah, I grew up with my cousins on Herzl. Used to have a curfew writing verses in my journal. Now it's ISO universal. My niggas strapped like a girdle. Y'all moving slow.
After a few hours, take your device, turn it on, and it's look perfect. So now let's test it if it works.
Think you got 'em, serve you. We don't even deserve you. Keep us from the internals. Grinding late, I'm nocturnal. Spitting fire infernal. You touching and it's gon' burn you. Driving down Myrtle with my niggas doing burnouts. They know that it's our turnout. Let's see how this gon' turn out. Our blessings been confirmed now. That other shit you hear about don't concern us. You see the sound don't disturb us. These other niggas is burgers, is ice, so we came to turn up.
Heard you, don't say nothing when I hit a curve. You sip my tea like it's herbal. Watch it come back full circle. Knew this life was eternal when I hopped over hurdles. I so universal, you see me with my circle.
Damn, it looks perfect. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. Now it's time to enjoy the reveal. Bye!
There's nothing wrong with that. Tripping, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I found